Because they were two very funny men, and they made people laugh, and they made me laugh.
Greetings from the lowlands of Seattle, having the time of our lives.
Poor little laughing gravy.
Greetings from Nashville, the sign says, and that's the truth. I'm Steve Brown, Grand Sheik of the Scram Tent of Nashville. We're proud to have an average attendance of about 15 to 18 people, as we did tonight for our May meeting, our May 2nd meeting. And we send our greetings to the Las Vegas International Convention. Some of our folks will be attending the convention, and we'll be glad to see them there. And for those of the folks that are part of our tent that cannot attend the convention, we hope that they'll be represented here on our 60-second video. And we just want to say, keep the faith and spread the gospel of Laurel and Hardy throughout the world.
Hey, pilgrims, all you sons of the desert out there in Las Vegas land. Well, it's your old pal here, the old ranger, John Harris, the Grand Sheik of the Be Big tent here in Austin, Texas. Of course, we like to call it the Be Big Fort. You know, we've been having a heck of a lot of trouble with a lot of these red devils here, but we gave the Indians a whole pass of Laurel and Hardy films, and I hope it had an effect. Hey, here comes one of the red devils now. Well, I can certainly see it's starting to have an effect. Oh, here they come again. Well, I guess I'm going to wrestle myself over to the saloon and get me some red-eye. Goodbye, good luck, and good riddance. Jack Nibbit.
You got 7 seconds to spare. All right, now you got to clean up the old Chevy room there, John.
I'm Chris Coffey of the Bacon Grabbers tent in Manchester. We started here in Brannigan's Bar back in October 1989. When we first started, we had purely these video facilities, but now we've gone on to our wonderful cine equipment. We also meet once a month here at the Wheat Sheaf, which is 20 miles from Brannigan's that way, but which caters for about 30 or 40 bacon grabbers here in the St Helens area. Laurel and Hardy and Brewing Hardy are so popular, we're starting our 3rd monthly oasis here at the Beer Engine in Wigan. To help us celebrate this fact, we have the Laurel Light Centenary Ale, the Hardy Heavy Centenary Beer, and if you want to read all about it, try our monthly magazine twice too. Our buy sheet known is going to your Las Vegas convention. Look after it. Cheers.
And now for tent 117, Lord Paddington.
Come in. Oh, good morning, Fatty.
Good morning, Your Lordship.
Thank you.
Tea, Your Lordship.
The chumps are here to see you, Your Lordship.
Come right in. Come right in. You may remain here, Fatty.
And here they are, Grand Sheik Greg Kozlik, Vice Sheik J.R. Reed, Grand Vizier David Hicks, Sub-Vice Vizier Arlene Mayberry, and a jolly good chump, Tom Lawton.
Fatty, hand me my memorandum.
And let's not forget absent chumps, Chris Kozlik, Steve Kravitz, Louis Chunovic, and Ronald Kozlik. Chumps have more fun.
Here it comes.
Hi, I'm Steve Jackson, and I'm the founder of the tent here in Montecito, California that we've chosen to call Pack Up Your Troubles. Interestingly, when I was a kid, I used to listen to this very same song every morning just before I went off to school when John Gambling would sing this as his closing song on WOR radio. I'd also like to introduce you to my daughter Gabrielle, who's our most vibrant Laurel and Hardy fan, and when she chooses to, can do a really great imitation of Stan Laurel. I'd like to introduce you to our dog, Amber, who's Gabrielle's scratching the fleas off right now. I'd like to thank my wife, Suzanne, who designed and created this lovely banner. And finally, I'd like to thank Martin Mann, jazz pianist and Gabrielle's teacher, who played the background music for this little segment. I hope everyone at the convention has a wonderful time. And just remember to smile, smile, smile.
Oasis number 136 of Maryland pays tribute to Laurel and Hardy's films about chickens. The chicken in a test tube. The chicken of the century. Me and my chicken. Chicken grabbers. MGM's big parade of chickens. Any old chicken. Pluck up your troubles. And of course, the egg noise. Greetings from Chickens Come Home of Maryland.